Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and today I received, well, last night, but I'm opening today from the company Esteem Right, this foam blocks. Let me open for you. Okay, this is a foam block. It's little squares that you cut in each square and you put under some furniture when you are cleaning carpets. After you rinse and dry the carpet, you have to put these blocks under the chairs or any kind of furniture so the wood won't bleed and make a new stain into the new carpet or the clean carpet. So that's something that I have to put inside the van. Today we have a disinfecting after COVID. We have our glove, our suits. I'm preparing everything for today's job. Also, I received from Esteem Bright this plastic tabs. It goes together with the foam blocks to put under some kind of furniture. Okay, so it's a different. I'm gonna tell you how later. So I'm gonna keep these three things inside my van. Also, another thing that I request is this type of adapters. Let me open for you. These adapters I needed because what happened if I have a situation where I request more water and there is no any water source in the apartment complex or in the property. So I go to the sink and I adapt the sink. I don't know how you say that. Okay, the sink thing to make it a garden hose, and I can fill my tank or I can fill my bucket, I can fill whatever. So this is the set that is crucial. Thank you for watching. Wish me luck. Today is a heavy duty cleaning plus after COVID disinfecting, sanitizing. 407-572-4118. Thank you. Bye.